Okay, the life of a rushing nursing student. I forgot my food, so this is not a good start to this day one of the raw. But I will figure something out. Ask Maxwell. She doesn't want to be on camera, but I still put her on there. Bear witness to what I have to deal with.
This is interesting. Oh, that's later. Hopefully I do.
Okay, so everybody else is eating crap and I'm eating this. Well, not Caitlin. She's eating healthy.
She's eating shumai.
And Jennifer, what are you eating?
Healthy. Multigrain.
The multigrain
With turkey.
with turkey. Yum. And then Maxwell is eating like
Spaghetti.
a lot of stuff. Shame, shame, shame. And he's starving. And he's eating a sandwich. And she's the life of a nursing student.
He's starving Marvin.
Okay, so today officially sucked. It was the worst day ever! Wasn't it?
Yes.
But it's our last clinical day ever there. Our teacher tried to work us like we were some dogs. Okay, so I'm gonna do my dinner. I don't feel like making a salad, but I do feel like having some juice, so here we go. I have some spinach, some carrots, some grapes, some gala apples, and a cucumber. And this is organic, so I'm not taking the peel off. Oh, it would help if I would work my machine the right way, right? So as you can see, I got me a good amount of green. That's what I want to see. I want to make sure I have a good amount of green before I start adding other stuff. Okay, so I'm going to add my carrot. My grape. And it's getting pretty full, so I'm gonna put this in the other container and then I'm going to juice my apples and I will be right back. Okay, so this is my greens. I'm gonna add the juice in a second from the apple. Okay, so I'm gonna add my apple juice into my greens, and then I'm going to stir it up and pour it into a jar. And I'll show you when it's done. So what I got is about 2.5 pints. I'm gonna drink these 2, and my oldest is gonna drink that one. Because you get the small one, that's why. Okay, water, go on and drink your juice. She was playing in the makeup, so her eyes are 2 different colors. That's not even that's a little bitty sip.
I'm gonna take a big sip.
Is it good?
He's like,
Yum. Okay, so I have my green juice, my spirulina and cashew bar, and it's so good. It's good. Today I can say it wasn't that hard. It would have been a lot easier if I would have been prepared and wouldn't have ran out the house without my food. But thank goodness the cafeteria had fresh fruit, so I ate some fruit, came home, I juiced. I'm gonna have this, and then if I get hungry later, I'll probably have some cucumbers and some more juice. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know that day 1 was beautiful, minus the donuts. I didn't have donuts, they just had them in front of me. And if you see Azalia, yeah, she's drinking her green juice. Where's your green juice? She drank it all. What a proud mama. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.